In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best serving carts available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the serving carts list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the serving carts mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Metal Wine Rack Serving Rolling Trolley. This sophisticated metal wine rack serving rolling trolley is a statement piece for wine enthusiasts and hospitality settings. Crafted with precision, the elegant metal design not only showcases your wine collection but also adds a touch of class to any space. The rolling feature makes it convenient to transport and serve drinks effortlessly. Multiple shelves provide ample storage for wine bottles, glasses, and accessories. Perfect for hotels or high-end kitchens, this trolley seamlessly combines functionality with a sleek aesthetic, creating a captivating focal point for any wine aficionado. Number 4, 3-tier foldable metal kitchen trolley. Meet the epitome of versatility with the 3-tier foldable metal kitchen trolley. This ingenious design offers a mobile and foldable solution for various spaces. The 3-tiered shelves provide ample storage for kitchen essentials, making it an ideal serving trolley or utility cart for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices. Its foldable feature ensures easy storage, maximizing space efficiency. The wheels offer mobility, allowing you to move this trolley wherever it's needed. Practicality meets convenience, making this trolley a must-have for those who appreciate adaptability without compromising on style. Number 3, Rolling Sideboards Outdoor Serving Utility Trolley. Unleash style and functionality with the Rolling Sideboards Outdoor Serving Utility Trolley. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, this versatile cart is more than just a rolling sideboard. With its rolling design, it serves as a dynamic bar cart, bookcase, or even an outdoor dining accessory. The sturdy construction ensures durability, making it suitable for beachside gatherings or as a chic addition to dining room sets. Elevate your serving experience with this multi-purpose utility cart, combining contemporary design with practical mobility. Number 2, 2-tier luxury modern serving cart. Indulge in luxury with the 2-tier luxury modern serving cart. This mobile masterpiece is not just a bar cart, it's a statement piece. The modern metal frame and tempered glass shelves create a sleek and sophisticated aesthetic, elevating your home coffee station or beverage serving area. The lockable wheels provide stability, making it a practical choice for those who value both style and functionality. Upgrade your living space with this elegant serving cart, adding a touch of contemporary luxury to your home. Number 1, VEVOR 3-tier bar wine rack cart. Step back in time with the VEVOR 3-tier bar wine rack cart, a vintage-inspired mobile serving solution that marries charm with utility. The sturdy steel frame and MDF board construction ensure longevity, while the 3 tiers offer ample space for bar essentials. With a weight capacity of 110/300 lbs, this cart becomes a reliable companion for hosting events or simply enhancing mobile storage. Perfect for creating a nostalgic ambience, the VEVOR cart is not just a piece of furniture, it's a conversation starter that seamlessly combines practicality with a touch of retro flair.